Happy Sunday, everybody. It was an absolutely beautiful 4th of July out there with lots of sunshine. Temperatures today were just a bit higher than what we saw for your Saturday, but the humidity really wasn't all that much. It was still pretty comfortable across the region. Right now, Myrtle Beach looking at 83 degrees. That humidity, like I said, much lower than what we're used to for this time of year, about 49%. Those dew points are in the 60s along the coast. Other spots still seeing those dew points in the 50s. Temperatures across the board, everybody still in the 80s as of right now. 82 for Conway, 84 out towards Marion, Florence looking at 86 degrees. Overnight tonight, it'll be pretty nice with those temperatures dropping back down into the 60s and 70s. I hope you enjoyed the weekend with those dew points in the 50s for today, because as of tomorrow, we start to see more moisture moving back in. Tomorrow, dew points back up into the 60s for the PD. And then as we look forward to the week ahead, we're going to be back on the humid side with tropical moisture moving in thanks to Elsa. Highs for tomorrow up into the 90s for the PD, upper 80s, almost 90 along the coast. Looking at 89 degrees for Myrtle Beach, 90 for North Myrtle Beach, warmer for Conway up to 94 degrees. Hot spot, that's going to be Sherrod looking at 97, 96 for Florence and Marion. So the actual air temperatures, those are continuing to rise for the first half of the week, but we're also going to be seeing more humidity moving in. Tracking the tropics now, we are still keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Elsa. As of 5 p.m. advisory, she's got 60-mile-per-hour wind speeds right now, so she's still only tropical storm status. She also is continuing to move a lot slower than she has been for the past couple of days. She's moving northwest now at about 14 miles per hour, also starting to begin that turn to the north. So what we're expecting with this system, as far as the track is concerned, the overall area that it's expected to kind of move through, that has not changed much, but the timetable, that has changed significantly. Because Elsa is now moving only at about 14 miles per hour, the time that we're expecting her to impact our area, that's being pushed back. Earlier, we were expecting her to move into the Palmetto State around Wednesday afternoon, first half of your Wednesday. Now she won't be moving in until later, about Thursday. We will be seeing some rain moving in. The other big difference is now she's expected to continue to fall apart. She's going to be down to a tropical depression as she moves over Florida and closer to our area. That does mean we're still tracking the chance for some heavy rain, and we're still going to see some pretty strong wind gusts. But as far as tropical storm status, she is expected to start to downgrade after she moves over Florida. Checking out that model guidance, still pretty consistent on that western landfall, kind of moving into the Gulf before it starts to turn even more to the east, kind of moving along the coast. But again, only expected to be a tropical depression as it moves towards our area. Beach forecast, we are seeing more sunshine for your Monday. It's going to be hot out there. Humidity starts to roll back in for your Tuesday, and those storm chances, those will be ramping up, particularly on Thursday as Elsa moves closer to our area. We'll start to see some heavy rain and a couple of storms move through the region. We remain on the hot and humid side to finish off the work week, and next weekend we are into the 90s with more chances for some storms.